Where am I? What happened?
Oh my God, Jill, I'm so glad you're awake. I've been so worried.
What happened?
You're in the hospital. You had a stroke. Here, I'm gonna go get Dr. Acharya. He's gonna explain everything to you, okay? I'll be right back. Jill, this is Dr. Acharya. He saved your life.
Hello, Mrs. Pennington. How are you feeling now?
Wait, I remember you. You're...
I'm Dr. Vinay Acharya. Do you remember me?
Yes. You're a doctor?
Actually, he's head of neurology.
Mrs. Pennington, you suffered a stroke. You were very lucky, but you need to take better care of yourself. I prescribed you some anticoagulant and statin. With the proper care and medication, you should recover fully.
Jill, I was so scared. I had no idea what to do. You weren't responding. I thought the worst. So I was screaming, shouting for help, and luckily, Dr. Acharya, he was right across the street. He came by, and without him, I don't know what would have happened.
Alex, could you please go get me something to drink? I need a moment alone with the doctor.
Yeah, of course. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
You don't need to thank me for anything, Mrs. Pennington. I was just doing my duty.
No, I was so horribly mean to you the other day. I made an assumption of you based on what you look like. Well, what I thought you looked like, and I was wrong. I was so wrong. Can you please accept my sincerest apologies?
Apologies accepted, Mrs. Pennington. Now get some rest.
Okay. Oh, Dr. Acharya?
Yes, Mrs. Pennington?
When I'm feeling better, how about I show you and your wife that lovely house? I think you both might be very happy there.
Actually, I made an offer on a house down the block, and I'm closing by the end of this month.
What house?
2507 Orange Avenue.
257 Orange Avenue. I didn't even know that house was on the market. That's a $4 million house.
Alex, he made the whole process pretty seamless for us, and he's amazing, I must add.
Alex, my assistant, Alex?
Yes. Mrs. Pennington, you need to get some rest. You are just gonna be fine. I'll check on you later again, okay?
Thank you, doctor.
All right, hey, got this water. Hope it helps, Jill. Want me to open
You
it?
sold him a house?
Who?
The doctor.
Yeah. Yes, I was gonna tell you, but you know, I was gonna wait. I really didn't expect it. He called me to give me a status update, tell me how you were doing, and I told him we are in debt to you. How could we ever repay you? And he told me about his family and how they wanted to upgrade their living situation. And, you know, long story short, he's gonna be the new owner of 2507 Orange Avenue.
That's a $4 million house.
Well, let's be real. It's 3.7.
I can't believe it.
No, me neither.